Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Windows build and hardware virtualization are ready, because Docker on Windows relies on WSL2 for best performance. Once done, install WSL2 via PowerShell and pick a distro like Ubuntu. This gives you a real Linux kernel. Then install Docker Desktop and enable the WSL2 backend during setup, so Docker runs natively inside that Linux environment. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS, and that Docker Desktop shows the WSL2 engine as active before moving on. Next, configure resources and integrate your distro so Docker containers run smoothly. Open Docker Desktop settings, allocate CPU and memory based on your workload, and enable integration for your WSL distro. This links Docker CLI in Linux to the engine. Then prepare a Docker file in your project, build the image with Docker build tmyapp, and run it with Docker run p8080 myApp to expose ports. Once running, use Docker logs and Docker exec to inspect and iterate quickly. Finally, validate the setup by running Docker run hello world and checking Docker PS to confirm the engine and CLI communicate properly. For multi-container apps, use Docker Compose up and map volumes so code changes reflect without rebuilding. Expose ports for host access. If deployment looks good, push images to a registry or export for CI. If something goes wrong, restart Docker Desktop and the WSL distro. Then run WSL LV to confirm state. This restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.